jig pocket hole screw thing. It's a jig for drilling screws at just a slight angle. Goes through here, comes out the other side. It's for like face frames on your cabinets, or in this case a bench seat where you want your connecting parts to not ever twist or move. I'm going to cleat the wall and glue it down as one frame after I cut it to fit. You can do it in pieces and nail it. A lot of guys do it that way, but then this can crack later. And because it's hinged, piano hinge, you're sitting there, all your weight's there, so this is how we're doing it. So you get your part lined up, your frame, you lay it out how you want it, and then I mark it with letters, A, B, B, and then the second frame. And then you just take your board. I actually already drilled these, but I'll show you how it works. You take your board, the face goes away from you, you're going to drill holes in the back. You put it in, and then from back here, you just like drill down, and it does those holes. And then you can you screw these together. I'll show you. So we're ready. So flip it over. Flip it over. Keep a little scrape off the. You want it flat. Okay. Then you just do one at a time. This is a lot better and faster than wood dowels, with the exception of if you had like a really nice doweling machine. We had one in college, and it was they call it a horizontal boring machine, because the bit comes at you, and then you clamp it down, and you hit the foot pedal to depress the drill. It's pretty cool, pretty fast too, because you're using your hands and your feet. So I glue it, I put it where I want it, flush to the top, and then we have this special clamp that adjusts to any thickness, so you can do it you want it on the table, smooth, so that it, you know what I'm saying, so that it's flat on the front when you're done. Okay, looks pretty darn good. And then we just take I ran out of the actual screws you're supposed to use. They have a slightly smaller head. It's rounded, but these work just as well. Yeah, I know, I'm using the wrong screws. The only wrong screw is the one that doesn't work. So the reason this is so fast and strong compared to a dowel is you don't have to wait for it to dry. It's done. Very cool. And I go to my other side. Make sure I didn't completely goof this up. Letter C. I guess I should do it this way. Same thing again. Either side. You don't need a lot of glue. Some guys glue both sides. Sometimes I'm that guy. Depends on my mood. Depends on the mood I'm in, but I don't think it really matters. Maybe on certain kinds of woods or something, but this is soft. Soft wood. Doesn't need a ton of glue. have it. Just wipe the glue off, but it's like perfect flat seam. And then that's what our bench seat will be inside. Gotta make sure that's square actually. The back piece is a little warped, but it'll sweet. I mean, why would it be unsquare, right? Done. Next.